Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're fulfilling a request. You guys have been asking for raspberry drink, so we've got you a raspberry drink. We found you this twist on a classic, the classic being the Tequila Sunrise, but this one is using Absolut Raspberry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Raspberry Sunrise. The raspberry vodka from Absolut working fantastically with the orange juice, and that nice little sweet pomegranate essence you get. It's like a little hint in the background, you know it's there. It just makes this a very nice rounded drink. Don't forget, if you're enjoying all of our drinks and you don't want to miss a single one, hit the subscribe button. The more times you hit the subscribe button, the better the channel's gonna be. Okay, the Raspberry Sunrise. Very, very simple drink. It is literally a 2-ingredient drink, but then we just had a little je ne sais quoi with a syrup that you've already know how to make, which is grenadine. So let's get into it. This is a built drink, so it's gonna be super easy to make. All you're gonna need to do is take your glasses, you want some nice highballs like this, and start building your drink. Usually, I do say cheapest ingredient first, but I think you're gonna be okay with this one because we're only putting one ingredient in first, and that is the vodka. So to start, take your vodka, Absolut Raspberry. As you know, new look, new bottle, new taste. And we're gonna want 45 mils per drink going straight into the glass. Next up, the only thing we need to add is the orange juice, and I'm gonna start to peel the oranges. I'm not peeling, I'm filleting because you all take the mickey out of me, okay? So, we're just gonna fillet these oranges nice and easy, and we're gonna want roughly around about, let's say, 150 mils per drink, and you can fillet them better than me if you can, good for you. If you wanna be really wasteful, just copy what I do. So we're probably gonna need about 3 or 4 oranges. Make sure to keep as much of the fruit onto the skin as possible. That makes it really environmentally conscious. Let's go with that, turn it up. So now we've got some lovely, fluffy orange juice ready to go. So next up, super simple. We just gotta ice up our glass and fill with orange juice. Give it a little swirl, make sure it's all done, and go straight in. Nice. So, before we make it look pretty, we're just gonna start with the garnish. We're gonna use a little orange wedge. So we got half an orange here, and we're just gonna go once, twice, like so, just to give you some rough wedges. That's a little bit off, so we can just slice that down the middle like that. And then, we're gonna make it look pretty. This is some fresh grenadine syrup. If you missed how to make this or you don't know how to make this, check both our simple syrups videos so you know how to make simple syrup. Then check the grenadine fizz where we're gonna run you down how to make grenadine very simply. Look at this beautiful red, luscious liquid. Do you know what else is red? The subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe, makes all your drinks better. Nailed it. I'm taking a speed pourer. You may have seen this from our daiquiri video. So we're just gonna put the speed pourer in here. The reason for that is I wanna drop some grenadine in, just a little dash, but I just wanna control the flow. So we're just gonna go like so, and like so. What we're gonna do is get that nice, lovely sunset effect riding up the drink, and then all we need to do is garnish with a nice little orange wedge and a couple of raspberries. There you have it, guys. Very simple, grenadine fizz. But this is the Raspberry Sunrise. Make it for your gran. She's gonna love it. Really simple. A bit of a twist on a Harvey Wallbanger, a bit of a twist on a screwdriver, you could say, and definitely a twist on the Tequila Sunrise. I'm gonna give it a whirl. Gonna stick that in. Wow. Real nice. You know what I love the most about fluffy orange? You've heard me talk about fluffy juice. It really just makes the whole mouth experience of the drink amazing. The mouthfeel, the viscosity, perfect. Like a little velvety cloud. Very simple, very effective, looks super pretty. That is the Raspberry Sunrise. I'm Rico, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I am gone, thank you, goodbye.